Hi, hello, welcome to my channel Satvika Gnanam, where we explore the depth of spirituality and self awareness.
Here is the 13th shloka of chapter 12. Adveshta sarvabhutanam maitrah karuna evacha nirmamo nirahankaras samadukka sukhakshami. He who is free from malice towards all beings, friendly and compassionate, and free from the feelings of tea and mine, balanced in joy and sorrow, and forgiving by nature. Here is the 14th shloka of chapter 12. Santushta satatai yogi यतात्मा दृढनिश्चयः मय्यर्पितमनो बुद्धिर्यो मद्भक्तः स मे प्रियः. The yogi who is ever concentrated and mentally united with me, nay, who has subdued his mind, senses, and body, has a firm resolve and has surrendered his mind and reason to me. That devotee of mine is dear to me. Here is the 15th shloka of chapter 12. Yasmano dvijate loko lokano dvijate chayaha हर्षामर्षभयोद्वेगैर् मुक्तो यस्य च मे प्रियः. He who is not a source of annoyance to his fellow creatures, and who in his turn doesn't feel vexed with his fellow creatures, and who is free from delight and envy, perturbation and fear, is dear to me.
If you like this video, please do subscribe to our channel, like, share, comment, and please click the bell icon for all the notifications. Thank you.